Good Wednesday morning, everyone. Hope you guys are doing well, having a great week. As you see this, Vicki and I are probably on a plane to Atlanta from Arizona. But I wanted to get on here and do a quick video. We're going to actually do another video tonight that's going to be live. I'll talk about that in a minute. But I wanted to kind of go over this. So we're on our way to Workbench Con in Atlanta. And tonight we're actually going to be doing a live demo. Again, I'll talk about that in a minute. But the thing that I wanted to talk about this morning is something that came up with Ryan, my son. When I was over there, we were putting together some boards, and he made his first sign. He went to a sportsman show, I don't know, about a few weeks ago, and he met Chad Mendez and Clay Guida, who are in business together, but they also have separate businesses there. And it was a sportsman show, and they do hunting and fishing guides and that kind of stuff, which is really, Ryan's really into that. And in case you don't know who these gentlemen are, Chad Mendez and Clay Guida are legendary fighters in the UFC, but they're also sportsmen. So anyway, Ryan kind of met him, talked to him, and Ryan's kind of doing my idea as far as doing collaborations with other influencers. So Clay and Chad both have huge Instagrams, and they've got a huge following. So Ryan is making them signs for each of them. So the first one he's got done for Chad, and this is Chad's logo, just came out fantastic. Really did a great job. This was a board that he and I made when we were over there. We laminated that board using the joiner and the planer and all that. But anyway, great job, son. Love it. Beautiful sign. But what I really want to talk about is the second one, the one for Clay Guida. Clay has a logo, and Ryan showed me the card, his logo on his card when I was over there in California. It's really a cool logo. And so Ryan put the board together and then had done the layout on it. And this is the layout he had done on it. But this is done not from the card. This is done from a photograph that Clay actually texts to Ryan. And then Ryan put that into Rapid Resizer, and then blew it up with Rapid Resizer and did the layout on that. So I was looking at this, and we were talking about it. He was asking advice on how to carve it, inset, outset, colors, that kind of thing. But as I was looking at it, something didn't look quite right to me. So I asked Ryan, and let me back up. The reason I'm doing this is because sometimes somebody else can see something that you can't see. So I told Ryan, I said, you said that Clay actually took a picture of the logo on the wall and texted it to you. And Ryan said, yeah, that's what he did. I said, what I want you to do is take the card, the business card, and I want you to measure the height of the G as compared to the height of the Z, and see if they kind of go down in height as it goes down the sign. And as it turns out, that wasn't the case. The logo on the card was actually the same all the way. But what happened was, Clay, not knowing exactly how Ryan was going to use this, Clay took a picture from the left-hand side of the sign on the wall, and by pointing it down the wall, you can see as it gradually gets smaller as it goes down the sign. But that's not the way the logo is. Ryan didn't see that because he just hasn't done enough signs where he would recognize that. I recognized it right away. That's why I was asking Ryan those specific questions. And I was telling Dad about it later on. And this is exactly, Ryan is so funny, because Ryan is in exactly the same place that I would have been at that point, not noticing that. I would have made that and made it with kind of letters, descending sized letters going down. But once I talked to Ryan about it, he realized that, yeah, that is supposed to be. So he's going to wipe this out, lay it out again, doing it a scan off the business card, which is probably the best way to do it anyway. But anyway, the only reason I share that with you guys is that over a period of time, you just kind of gain what to look for just based on mistakes that you've made in the past. But I was telling Dad about it, and I told Dad that's a mistake I would have made when I was Ryan's age, and Dad would have caught it. He would have caught that. So now it's kind of weird how I've kind of taken that spot. Anyway, but Ryan fixed it, and I'm sure the sign is going to look fantastic. It's really neat colors. But anyway, so I thought I would share that with you just in this quick video, just as, you know, always look at all of the parameters if you're taking an image from a picture. You know, be sure. Now, if Clay had taken a picture from it straight on, straight in front, it would have been fine. But he was to the side, not knowing how Ryan was going to use it. Anyway, so I hope that's helpful for you guys. Helpful for you guys. I'm talking too fast now. So, you're seeing this on Wednesday morning. Tonight, we are going to be at Gwinnett Woodworking Association. I'm so excited about going out and doing this demo. It's out in Lawrenceville, outside of Atlanta. You guys are cordially invited. If you need any information on it, directions or address or whatever, if you can make it out there, it's at 7 o'clock Eastern. We'll be broadcasting, I think we'll be broadcasting live. So you'll see another video with us tonight, broadcasting live that demo. And then for the next 4 days, we're going to be at Workbench Con in Atlanta. We're planning a meetup, and we'll, right there at the hotel where we're going to be, what's the name of that hotel? Renaissance, something Renaissance, right in the downtown area. So stay tuned. Sometime in the next day or two, we'll be doing a live, I think we'll be doing a Friday live from Workbench Con. So, and we'll talk about a meetup. I think we're going to do it on Sunday, because we don't fly out till like 6 o'clock Sunday evening. So we'll probably do it Sunday morning. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I hope, again, I hope this was helpful. Hope we can meet some of you at Workbench Con. Definitely find us. Me and Vicki will be walking around. Find us if you're going to be at Workbench Con. We're excited to meet you, shake your hand, and hang out with you. And thanks, guys. We love you, and we'll see you. This is Wednesday. We'll see you on Friday, if not before. Have a great one. Bye-bye.